Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning a very popular jazz standard, something called Fly Me to the Moon. As usual, if you have any questions, just reach out to us and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, let's jump right in. Fly me to the moon and let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. So jazz tunes are unique in the sense where the structure is rarely set. And this is due to the improvisational nature of jazz. That being said, there are two basic sections of this tune, the A section and the B section. So in terms of the lyrics, the A section, it begins when he sings, Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. And the B section begins when he sings, Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. And those are pretty much the two basic sections for this song, and you can repeat them as many times as you want, and you can just end when you feel like it. Alright, let's check out the chords we'll need for this song. So the first chord is an A minor 7. You can either play it like that with your thumb, or with your middle finger and ring finger barring across. The next chord we have is a D minor 7. And then a G7. And again, you can play the G7 like this with your thumb, or like this with your index finger on the 6th string, middle finger on the 4th string, pinky on the 3rd string, and ring finger on the 2nd string. And then we have a C major 7, and then an F major 7, and then a B minor 7 flat 5, or B half diminished 7. Just remember, it's the same thing. And then we have an E7. And we also have an A7. So the A7 is kind of like the G7, just that instead of your root note being on the G note, you're now on the A note. You can also use your index finger on the 6th string, and then your middle finger on the 4th string, pinky on the 3rd string, and ring finger on the 2nd string. And finally, the last chord we have is an F7, which is pretty much the same as the G7 and the A7, just that now your thumb is going to be on the F root note on the 6th string. Again, you can use your index finger to play the note on the 6th string. That's up to you. For me, I always prefer to use my thumb. Now, my apologies, I know I said before that the F7 was the last chord, but we still have one last chord, and that is an E minor 7. And it's pretty much the same thing as a D minor 7, just that now the root note is on this E note on the 5th string. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out the full video lesson, please visit libertyparkmusic.com, where we have online guitar courses available for streaming 24/7. Our courses are for beginners all the way to advanced players, and we have courses like Intro to Guitar, Jazz Guitar, and we have song lessons as well, so you can learn your favorite songs. So if you want to try out Liberty Park Music for free for 30 days, sign up with us today.